Welcome to yet another session of Things I Know That You Don't. And today, I expect you're here because you want a web development server on your desktop. If you're like me, you do a lot of web development and not a lot of going outside. So, instead of having to go to an external server, you could do all your development on your desktop. First, we will need some software. And for that, we shall go to the WAMP server webpage. And as you can see here, this download section, and this will give you a all-in-one software for running your Apache, your PHP, and your MySQL servers on your desktop. So, let's download. And it's easy as saving and watching the bar crawl. Hey, look, it's done. Let's run it. Let's double click this guy right here, give us the warning, and do you want to upgrade? Nope. This is a clean install, so yes. We're going to get this nice little window here. Welcome, do what the nice program tells you, accept the license agreement. It's going to save to your C drive and this WAMP directory. If you want it somewhere else, hit the browse, change it. If not, just go with it. So we want a desktop icon. It's always fun. Install. Watch it go. Hey, look. Firefox is detected. Would you like to use it for a default browser? Absolutely. Finishing. This is where you would put your mail server, if you had one, or your email, if you want to get emails. And neither of these are particularly pertinent, so next. Launch WAMP 2 server now. Sure not. So now we got that all taken care of. We can test to see if the server is working by going to your browser and typing in localhost. Like so. And that means you are looking at yourself for a web page. Localhost also. With that you could type 127.0.0.1. Same thing. Two different names, same place. So, where again might you put those files, you say? Let's find out. So, you bring up the My Computer, and that is My Computer. And you go to your C drive, and if you use the default, your folder should be this guy right here. It says WAMP. And there's all this gobbledygook here. Where do you put your files? www. This folder right here. It's where things go. So, we have the default. This file right here is this whole view back here, but we don't want that. We want our own web page. Let's play. So if you're going to make a web page, you can use whatever software you want. Some people like to use the fancy editors out there. Dreamweaver is a popular one. Me, I love Notepad. So we're going to make a little HTML document. Just give me a second. Look, we magically have an HTML document that precipitated from the ether. So, where do we put this? File, save. And if you're in Vista, you got this jobby here, which we want to browse folders. We want to go back to the computer. C, WAMP, www. And unfortunately, this guy's going to want to save his text, so we change it. We want to save it for this guy. It's PHP, doesn't matter. Your server handles it. Save it. Want to place it? Absolutely. So, switch back to our browser, refresh it. Look, hello world. You have created a web page on your own personal server. Develop on. It'll be fun.